Greetings guys, this is Glinvest Media. I previously did a video concerning golden sand token on how to import your wallet into Trust Wallet using the private key and how to withdraw your tokens and wait for awaiting swapping. I deleted that previous video because I found out I saw some red flags concerning the golden sand token GST token. Although I've done my withdrawal and um, I'm not totally 100% totally convinced that it is a scam, but I'm still doing my research, and with the information I have, I'm putting my conviction at 70%. So let's dive in. The golden sand um, token is a gaming uh, token. So I checked on their Telegram, on their social media sites, and I found out that it was only Telegram that you can get access to. And even on the Telegram, on their Telegram, you can't. There is no interaction, no interactive community. Just they just post news and updates, and I don't even know if all these reactions to their news is legit or by robots. So that is one. There is no Discord group. There is no Twitter page, and Facebook groups. All these communities whereby all these social sites whereby the communities of the token supporting a particular token interact and share ideas on how to push the token forward. See, there is no way that someone can even say air his or her grievances on this token or any other token. So that's one red flag. And although I searched for their contract address on one of these token scanners. So the reason why it didn't come up as a red flag there is because they have not been launched on a DEX yet. They are still doing pre-sale and crypto mining on their app. They have not been launched on a DEX. So I got a complaint from someone who, with the help of my video, got to learn how to withdraw his golden sand tokens. And you can see he said, "Good morning, I need your help on golden sand," and I gave him the link to the video to watch, and he said his $3 was removed from his Trust wallet which he imported. So I don't I don't know how possible this is. It is only someone who has your private key that can make a withdrawal of your tokens from your wallet, or your contract or your passphrase that can make withdrawals from your wallet. So the private key was from the app. So it is only the golden sand, the owners of golden sand token, that have access to this private key, and they can do whatever can do. So he said that he was planning to make it $4 and to do his withdrawal. Then he doesn't know who removed it. He sent me a screenshot. I don't know why he later deleted it. As you can see here, he is okay. He was asking for my help. So he sent me a screenshot. As you can see, he unsent the message. It was an image that he sent there. So he was complaining about it. So it is like a type of crypto phishing. So if any of you have an issue with this golden sand token, maybe you've by any you've there was a problem, maybe you lost your BNB which you transferred into your golden sand token wallet, and you can comment on the comment section. Yeah, you can comment on the comment section. And that's not just that. I went to Twitter. Okay, let me do that again. I'll clear this off. then I will start again with the contract address here. Going back, mining. Okay, this is the contract address. I will in the I was trying to find their page on Twitter and clear this up. You can see that this is the contract address I copied from the app. So this is what it showed me. These are the only people that have posted about golden sand on Twitter, and I couldn't even find their own Twitter page alone. So I had to try with this contract address. Let me try golden sand or try GST first. See, there is no way. There is no way. They're even supposed to have a link to their Twitter page on their app. So I searched their contract address, and this is all what I found. This is all I found. Okay, it's loading. Hold on. Seems my network is misbehaving. Okay, so this is what I found, and it says this is in Vietnamese. So I translated the tweet to English, and look at what it said. It said the bogus project Binance merchant said that the wallet address is a personal address. It is not possible to transfer other coins to exchange GST. So this is one red flag too. They said this is a personal address and not. So this is actually this made me arrive at 70% that it is a scam or might be a scam. So I still need more and more evidence or more and more research to finalize my claim or to finalize my hypothesis that golden sand is a scam. So that's it, guys. If you have any views, opposing views about golden sand token, you you write it, say it on the comment section, and the description are my links to other legit crypto mining apps. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, follow, and like my video. I remain Glinvest Media. Have a nice day.